What's up, everybody? This is Investing Sensei here to bring you episode 22 of the Webull Options Adventures, where our goal is to basically sell options and collect that premium that it will eventually replace your 9-to-5 job. Our current goal is to try to collect about, get to the point where we are collecting about $1,000 in premium every single week. We were doing fairly well before this whole market correction, but now we are trying to recover and trying to at least collect some premium. Once we recover, we will start making a lot more premium, but the portfolio is at $45,952.91. Right now we are down about 19.91%. That is about $11,433. And our current cash balance right now is $5,244.91. If we actually go down here, guys, we do have 200 shares of Mara. We are down about 20%. Our cost basis is about $47, and right now the current price is at $37.60. We could sell covered calls, but this stock has been a little bit volatile, so I actually don't really want to worry about rolling, which is something I'm going to show you guys in the spreadsheet once we jump over to that with what I did with Neo. So stick around to the very end. The next one we do have here, guys, is Palantir. So we had 100 shares of Palantir, and I guess just so I tell you guys, I am recording this on an early Saturday morning, so this is, we already know how the options ended up being, but we do have the 100 shares of Palantir. Our cost base is around $24.97, and we did sell a covered call at a strike price of $26. It actually expired yesterday, and we actually collected a premium of 4 cents, so that is times 100. We collected $4. It's not a lot, but we are still trying to recover some because Palantir is down. Current price is at $22.98, but this one did expire worthless. So one of the things that I have been getting asked a lot is, when does this get updated? So right now this contract expired worthless. We are Saturday. Currently Webull does not update the whole portfolio, or I guess the options, until early Monday morning. So probably around 7 o'clock in the morning, right, maybe about an hour or 2 hours before the market opens, you'll see all of this get updated. One of the things that you could go is you can go up to the very top and go to more, and then once you go to more, you can look at the, I believe, trading confirmations or so is what it's called. Let me just click on it. So you can go right here to trade confirmations, and if you click on it, you'll see that now Friday, April 30th 2021, the documentation is available. You can click on it, open it, and then it'll tell you if either your shares got taken away or if you got assigned 100 shares of a certain company. If they don't show up, that means that the contract did expire worthless. So that is one way that you can do it if you don't want to wait till Monday morning. So that is something you can check. And the next one we have here is Tesla, which is, we have 8 shares. Current stock price is at $710. We are down about 6.53%. The next one we do have here as well is 100 shares of Beyond Meat. Our cost basis is $172.67, and we are down quite a bit. We're about down 23%, almost 24%. And one of the things here, guys, is I am just trying to collect some premium until we do recover. My goal right now is to try to get to at least 30% by the end of the year in our initial investment. So far right now, if I show you guys on the spreadsheet, we are about 24.93% so far. So we have about 5.7% more to go, and we would meet our goal. Obviously, we definitely always want to overachieve on our goals that we set for the year. Right now we are right around May, so we still have quite a bit of time to go through. So even if the market was to stay like this, or just the portfolio itself, as long as we are collecting about $100, $50 or so, we will definitely achieve at least the 30% by the end of the year. Obviously, I know that we will recover. I pretty much I'm not scared about the companies that I do sell options on. That's why it's one of the very important things that when you do sell options, you gotta make sure you do it on a company that you wouldn't mind holding. As you guys can see that some of these companies I am down quite a bit, but that's because I was playing it very aggressive as well. I'm not panicking and selling because I know they will recover eventually. But overall, we do just need to collect about 5% more, which is definitely achievable in 7 months. So yeah, anyways, I do have a covered call on Beyond Meat. Strike price was at $152.50. It actually expired yesterday, which is the 30th, and it expired worthless. We collected 12 cents times 100, which is $12 is what we collected, and that expired worthless. So that was pretty awesome. The next one we do have here is NEO. So we had 300 shares of NEO. Our cost basis is at $56.14. And current stock price is at $40.12. So we are down about 28%, almost 29%. Hopefully this company does recover, because we do want to sell 3 covered calls, which would be very awesome because we would collect a lot more money. But that is all I have for you guys on the Webull portfolio. Let's jump over to the Google Sheet so I can show you guys exactly the whole trades and how much we actually made for this past week as well as this current week. Alright guys, so we are here at the Google Sheets, and I actually want to show you guys how much we made for the past week. So this is one of the ones that you guys might be shocked about. So on the starting date was the 4th, April 19th, and then we ended on April 23rd. And you guys are ready for this because I actually thought we were going to be in the negative. So we ended up collecting $8.66. And so the main reason, which is I'll dive into it, I sold 3 covered calls of NEO, and they were very close to the strike price. I didn't want to roll them, so I ended up buying them back and just took the loss. And so that's what took most of my profits away for that week. But we still ended up making $8.66. So as long as we collect something, I think we are good, especially because the portfolio is down quite a bit. But the next one here, guys, let's do it for this past week. So the 26th was our date, and then the last one was on the 30th, which was yesterday. And so we ended up making a total of $153.50. And actually, one of the things I do want to show you here is how much we sold in credits. Well, I guess sold in premium. So we collected $232.64 in premium. We actually spent about $79 or so buying back our contracts. Nothing in gains and nothing in invested. And actually, let me show you guys exactly here for the one from the 19th all the way to the 23rd, just so you guys can see where we made the $8. We actually sold about, well, I guess we collected $278 in premium, and we actually spent about $268 buying back contracts. So that is where most of our money took. So you can just take the difference, and that's how we get the $8.66. But the next one here, guys, I'm going to show you guys the weekly performance. You'll see that on week 46 we made the $8.66, and our current value right now is for $57,836. And then for this past week that currently just ended on week 47, that was the 30th of April, we collected $153.50, which brought us up to $57,989.52. And so we are very close to $58,000. I know that the portfolio doesn't reflect that, but that is because we are down on some of these stocks. But overall, this is how much basically premium plus the initial investment and any capital appreciation we've gotten that we've already taken profits on. But if I go over here, guys, you'll see this is how much we've actually picked up in total, which is $11,570.18. I'm pretty impressed because that is how much we've collected in almost 4 to 5 months. So I think I'm very happy with that. Current average per week on how much we collect is about $680.60. I can actually see this continue to go down a bit, and especially because until we recover, and then we'll start bringing it back up. But if we were to continue on this track, we would make about $35,391 at the end of the year. Total, you guys already saw, and our return so far is 24%. Well, I guess 24.93%. And then these are the values if you were to consider taxes. So let's go over here to the credits. I'm going to show you guys everything here. For everything in the green, well, I mean in the blue, this is from the previous week. So you'll see that we did end up buying back a lot of stuff, but we did sell a lot of covered calls, and then cash secured put on Mara here, and we bought it back. Most likely we did collect the difference. In AT&T, we actually bought back that contract. Everything in the orange is from this past week. So we actually sold cash secured put on Mara, and you'll see covered calls, Beyond Meat, Palantir, another cash secured put on Mara again. So that is what we actually sold. Let's look at how much we actually bought back. So you'll see everything in the green. We bought a lot of back Mara, Neo, Palantir, AT&T, and Mara. So that is something that we've been, a lot of the times I'll try to collect about 50 to 60%, and then if I have about maybe 3 to 4 more days before the contract expires, I'll definitely buy it back, because it's not worth taking the extra 4 days of risk for an extra 40% when I could just end up selling another option a little bit later. So that is something that I do take into account. The other one here I'm gonna show you guys is the gain. So I actually ended up selling AT&T. AT&T went up about $31.50 because I've actually bought it at $31.50, and I've been holding it for so long. We actually hit the ex-dividend date, so I believe May 3rd is when we'll get paid the $52 from AT&T in dividends. So I ended up taking a loss of $1.04, which I'm fine with. You'll see that we have been selling cash secured puts on Mara, and we've been collecting about $100 or so a week now. Otherwise, I would be stuck with no cash balance so far. But I think that was a good move, even though we lost $1. We already made that $1 back. And then current buys, you guys already saw Tesla, which is the 8 shares we hold. And then invested, we don't really have anything invested so far, but that is all I have for you guys this week. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, hit that bell notification, let me know in the comment section how much you guys are making in premium, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Take care, stay safe out there, bye guys.